gonna set our soybean rows at 1 inch depth. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the gauge wheel depth arm, put it in the deepest setting. Then you can see we slid the blocks underneath, and we're gonna start raising this unit up till it just picks it up. So once it's got the weight of the row unit on it, we know that we're at the proper seed depth of 1 inch. And then we're going to set our gauge wheel arm to the area of the least resistance. So it'll drop in there, and that's all there is to it. After using our seed depth setter, we found out that we did have quite a bit of variability, especially between the corn and the soybean rows. The corn rows were more variable. Of course, you think about it, they're running more acreage because they're also planting soybeans, not just corn, and versus the back rows that are just soybeans that are normally up in the air when you're planting corn. So between that and more of the excess wear and the handle, we saw a lot more variability on the seed depth. So doing this actually made pretty good sense to find out perfect seed depth.